Landscape engineer inspector summary video. So aside from having no through bolt, she needs a paint job. She has a broken railing system up here that's tied back into the building. So that needs to be addressed. Scrape and paint. The ladder doesn't go all the way to the ground. This needs to be addressed with a city official. It's a ladder. It has this rope up here. So that needs to be converted over to a chain. Single action requiring no special knowledge. The ladder needs a paint job that I'm on. And again, pre-existing non-conforming. We'll speak with a city official accordingly, but she just needs, I would put in some bolts here because it's a welded system. Put in some bolts down here, put in some bolts up there, and that should satisfy the situation. But it is a pre-existing non-conforming structure put in, most likely without a permit, but it's lag bolted in, not through bolted in. That's the biggest issue. Needs a paint job. Does not pass at this time. It's not structurally sound, not been kept painted.
Failed with major repairs, technical repair report for bidding, restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor, engineer oversight, 3 site visits, certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test.